Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Whenever loan word comes to your mind and we become afraid, अरे यार लोन नहीं लेना, लोन से बच के रहना है. But there are some very smart people, those who understand finance and use loans to the best of their abilities. These are those people, I guess, those who must be using credit cards to the best advantage as well. They might be finding the best deals and that is how they are taking on this thing. So as a seafarer, say you have got 30 lakh rupees in your account and you want to buy a good car which costs 30 lakh rupees. So one ways, take out that account money, give it to the bank. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di, right? Another thing is what you can do is you can put that 30 lakh rupees in FD for at a 6.5% per annum rate for 7 years. So invested amount is 30 lakhs, returns you get is 17 lakh 11,000. So total पैसा जो आपको मिला कितना मिला 47 लाख 11,000 रुपए in 7 years. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. And now you have to buy this 30 lakh car. Say you take a loan of 30 lakh rupees. डाउन पेमेंट की बात नहीं करते, नेट उसकी बात करते. 30 लाख रुपीज लोन, अगेन रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8.5%, 7 years. सो मंथली EMI कम्स एट 47,509 रुपीज फॉर द नेक्स्ट 7 years. यहां तो तुमने रख दिया, यहां पर एवरी मंथ यू आर पेइंग दिस EMI. डन. सो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट ऑफ 30 लाख रुपीज, नेट इंटरेस्ट पेड वॉज 9,90,000 रुपीज. सो बेसिकली यहां पर आपने 39,90,000 दैट इज 40 लाख रुपीज आपने दिए इन 7 years, राइट? Or out here in 7 years you got 47 lakh rupees. So basically you are saving 7 lakh rupees in 7 years. Each year you are saving 1 lakh rupees. Smart people do that. See, those who understand investment and those who are more smart and those who understand market and believe mutual fund work. So what they do is they invest 30 lakh rupees in mutual fund at 12% for 7 years and assuming that 12% growth rate मिलेगा, assuming that 30 lakhs तो 68 lakhs हो गया. So he had to pay 40 lakhs. यहां पर मिले 68 लाख, 28 लाख का फायदा कर लिया उस 30 लाख रुपए से 7 years में, हर साल 4 लाख रुपए. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्मार्ट पर्सन आर यू, दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड. सेकंड थिंग, एक और चीज सिखा देता हूं आपको कि सपोज यू हैव गॉट अ 30 लाख FD आपके पास पड़ी है एंड यू हैव टू बाय अ कार और यू हैव टू टेक अ 30 लाख रुपीज लोन. आपको लेना है, मैं इसको इतना एग्जाम्पल नहीं दे रहा हूं. सो नेवर ब्रेक दैट FD. Always take a loan against that FD. You will get a loan of 80% of that FD amount easily. So rate of interest become very less and the FD stays where it is. I hope you understand that. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.